Hi, this is Tabu and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Alright, ma'am, any final thoughts on Fitur? Anything shooting in Kashmir because
I didn't shoot in Kashmir.
Okay.
I wished I had shot in Kashmir for this film, but we shot on a set.
Right.
Everyone else shot for many days and much before me, so they have a longer relationship with Fitur.
बिल्कुल.
And मैं तो last में आई
जी.
और जल्दी से मेरा काम खत्म हो गया एक ही chunk में.
Right.
So before I could actually form a relationship with the film, it was over for me. You know, which is also a great way of working. But I'm happy that it also happened because Gattu was comfortable asking me to do this, and Siddharth, this is my third film with UTV. I'm very comfortable with them. It's like home. And everybody else in the film was so wonderful that ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गए. And I hope people like it. That's the most important test for any film.
Right.
And everyone's worked very hard towards it. Well, of course, in all films, everyone works very hard because filmmaking is a very painstaking process. You know,
absolutely.
We as viewers, we watch it for 2 hours or 3 hours or 2.5 hours or whatever. But there's so much that has gone behind bringing those 2 hours alive for the audience that sometimes, I mean, and it's really strange in filmmaking. It's somehow it feels after the film releases, you feel that those 1 year or those 6 months never existed. उनकी कोई value नहीं होती.
जी.
You know, सिर्फ जो आप स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं उसकी वैल्यू होती है.
क्या बात?
You know, but for us and people who go through it, every moment is important because we have also lived a life through the making of any film.
Right.
So you know, if that journey and if that thing is successful, then for us, that's the biggest success.
Would you call yourself a perfectionist by any chance?
I don't think so. Matlab, I like to do things the right way, but I think I've learned also to let go of what I can't control. You know, I would have loved to, I think till a few years back, I wanted to be in control of everything. But I think as you grow older and experience, you understand that everything is not under your control and you can't have everything your way. So you have to do what you have to do and then you have to let everything else do what it has to do.
Ma'am, I'd like to slightly correct you that you're not growing older, you're growing younger. In fact, many people would like to just know that what is the entire secret of your fitness regimen. आपने already treadmill के बारे में आपने बता ही दिया है. तो please थोड़ा सा आप बताना चाहिए because many people they're totally amazed at.
I think I'm blessed with good genes.
जी. Despite biryani and halim and everything that you love to eat.
Yeah, I think that's the reason.
Okay.
Though, yeah, I'm blessed with good genes. I think my height is a very big advantage for me. I have an erratic fitness regime. I'm not so regular, though I would love to have a regular fitness routine.
जी.
And I control, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत जितना हो सकता है, I have little control over my diet. And yeah, that's it.
Fantastic. Ma'am, lovely talking to you as
Thank
always
you.
And looking forward to Fitur eagerly, to be honest.
Thank you.
And love the performance in Heather and all your earlier ventures as well.
Thank you so much.
And it's always, I think, huge honor to speak to you.
Thank you.
The sort of work that you've done is wonderful. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.